Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back for one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if you are seeing the two quick share icons on your Android phone. So I am using Samsung phone. As you can see guys, when I'm trying to share the file, so at that time I am seeing the two quick share icons. So the both app is not working in my phone. Also the same problem if you are facing, so this video is only for you. Watch this video till and very carefully. Okay, if you are Samsung user, recently Samsung merged its quick share feature with Google Nearby Share. Because of this update, many users are seeing two quick share icons, one from Samsung and other from Google. This can cause confusion and sharing is completely stop working. So just tap on the quick share icon, and here it will ask you to open that app. To update the app from the Galaxy Store, just simply select Galaxy Store and update your app. Afterwards guys, it will quickly fix your problem. Still in case you are facing the same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Now you need to open your phone settings like this. In the phone settings, scroll down a little bit, find out apps, open it and tap on the filter app, enable this show system app and then tap on OK, and then scroll down and find out the quick share and open the quick share app. Go to storage and clear the caches and clear the data of this app. Go back and find out another quick share. Same thing you need to do with quick share agent, clear the cache and clear the data and go back. And if the another app is showing here, just open it, go to storage, clear the cache and clear the data and then go back and open the quick share only app. Okay, like this, and here you can get the option set as default. Just tap on it. So just you need to set this app to default. After doing this guys, restart your phone one time. After restarting, it will 100% fix your problem. Okay, so if this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tech content and drop a comment if it worked for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Thank you.